Adsterra versus Ezoic, which is the best ad network. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll delve into a comparison between two prominent platforms in the realm of website monetization, which is Adsterra and Ezoic. And to create an account on any of those platforms, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Adsterra, it is an advertising network that connects advertisers with publishers to facilitate ad placements on websites, blogs, and other digital platforms, in which it offers range of ad formats including display ads, pop-unders, direct links, and many more, allowing publishers to monetize their online content effectively. On the other hand, Ezoic is an artificial intelligence platform that provides website optimization and monetization solutions for publishers. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze website traffic and user behavior, allowing publishers to optimize ad placements, layouts, and other elements to maximize revenue and improve user experience. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Adsterra and Ezoic. And now let's start by knowing the comparison of onboarding process of both platforms. And as you can see on this table, in terms of sign-up process, Adsterra offers quick and straightforward and requires basic information, while Ezoic offers a straightforward but may require more detailed site info. And now in terms of integration options, Adsterra offers various ad formats with easy integration codes, while Ezoic provides integration through DNS settings or plugins. And in terms of support, Adsterra offers dedicated account managers for assistance, while Ezoic provides support through email and knowledge base. While in terms of requirements, Adsterra has specific requirements regarding site content, while Ezoic requires compliant website content for optimization. And now let's proceed by knowing targeting and optimization comparison on both platforms. In terms of targeting options, Adsterra offers basic targeting options such as geo-targeting, while Ezoic provides advanced targeting options including geo, device behavioral, and many more. And in terms of optimization techniques, Adsterra utilizes basic optimization techniques for ad delivery, while Ezoic utilizes AI for continuous optimization of ad placements, formats, and performance. And in terms of ad placement testing, Adsterra has limited ability to test different ad placements, while Ezoic offers robust A and B testing functionality for ad placements. And in terms of revenue split testing, Adsterra does not offer revenue split testing capabilities, while Ezoic offers revenue split testing to maximize earnings. And aside from that, in terms of ad blocking mitigation, Adsterra offers limited solutions for ad blocking issues, while Ezoic provides advanced tools to mitigate ad blocking and revenue loss. And also in terms of customization options, Adsterra has offered limited customization options for ad placements, while Ezoic offers extensive customization for ad placements and formats. Now moving on to type of ads comparison. As you can see here, in terms of ad formats, Adsterra offers various ad formats including display, pop-under, interstitial, video, native, and push notifications, while Ezoic provides a wide range of ad formats such as display ads, native ads, in-feed ads, sticky ads, and many more. Now in terms of contextual targeting, Adsterra provides basic contextual targeting options such as geo-targeting and device targeting, while Ezoic utilizes advanced AI algorithms for contextual targeting based on user behavior, interests, and demographics. And in terms of video ads aspect, Adsterra offers video ads format for publishers interested in monetizing video content on their websites, while Ezoic provides support for video ad formats allowing for monetization of video content across various platforms. And aside from that, in terms of mobile optimization, Adsterra supports mobile optimization for ad formats, ensuring seamless integration and user experience on mobile devices, while Ezoic offers responsive ad units that are optimized for mobile devices, ensuring a smooth viewing experience for mobile users. And now in terms of ad quality control, Adsterra provides basic controls over ad quality and compliance, while Ezoic implements strict ad quality controls to ensure high-quality ads and maintain a positive user experience. Now moving on to payment and withdrawal comparison. As you can see on this table, in terms of payment methods, Adsterra offers various payment methods including PayPal, wire transfer, Paxum, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Payza, and many more, while Ezoic supports multiple payment methods including direct deposit, PayPal, Payoneer, and bank transfers. Now in terms of minimum payout threshold, Adsterra typically has a minimum payout threshold ranging from $5 to $100 depending on the chosen payment method, while Ezoic generally has a minimum payout threshold which varies based on the selected payment method and currency. And aside from that, in terms of payment threshold, Adsterra has publishers can set their desired payment threshold within the specified range, while Ezoic has publishers that can adjust their payment threshold based on their preferences and financial goals. Now, in terms of payment fees, Adsterra may charge fees for certain payment methods for currency conversions, while Ezoic generally does not charge fees for payments, although third-party payment processors may have their own fees. Now, moving on to pros and cons of using both platforms, starting to Ezoic pros. It offers advanced targeting options including geo, device, and behavioral targeting, and utilizes AI for continuous optimization of ad placements and performance. And it also provides robust A and B testing functionality for ad placement. It also offers revenue split testing to maximize earnings. It implements ad quality controls to maintain user experience, and provides extensive customization for ad placements and formats that utilizes machine learning extensively for optimization. However, the cons of using Ezoic is that the onboarding process may take 1 to 2 weeks for approval and setup, and it requires compliant website content for optimization, and its support may be provided mainly through email and knowledge base, with limited payment methods compared to Adsterra, and may require more detailed site information during sign-up. And ad blocking mitigation may still pose challenges despite advanced tools. Now, moving on to pros and cons of using Adsterra, starting to its pros. It has flexible payment options including PayPal, wire transfer, Bitcoin, and many more. It also offers faster approval process compared to Ezoic, with a wide range of websites accepted, and it has higher revenue potential especially for websites with significant traffic. And it has advanced targeting options including retargeting and behavioral targeting, with wide range of ad formats available including rich media and interstitials, and dedicated account managers and responsive support system for publishers. While the cons of using Adsterra is that its ad quality may vary, potentially affecting user experience, and some ad formats including pop-unders can be intrusive and may lead to user dissatisfaction, and it has limited transparency regarding advertiser network and bidding processes, with minimum traffic requirements for optimal revenue generation, and has possible issues with ad relevance and targeting accuracy in some cases. Now, moving on to user reviews, starting to Adsterra. Some users appreciate Adsterra's quick and straightforward sign-up process, along with various ad formats and easy integration. And others have mentioned satisfaction with the dedicated account managers provided by Adsterra for assistance and support. However, there have been occasional complaints about the approval process taking longer than expected and limited control over ad placements and customization. Now, moving on to Ezoic reviews. Ezoic's AI-driven optimization features tend to receive positive feedback from users, with many praising its ability to improve ad revenue and user experience over time. And the robust A and B testing functionality and revenue split testing options are commonly cited as valuable features by users, and some users appreciate Ezoic's extensive customization options for ad placement and formats, allowing for greater control and flexibility. However, there have been occasional complaints about the onboarding process taking longer than expected, with some users experiencing delays in approval and setup. But the question is, who should choose Ezoic? Well, Ezoic is a choice for website owners or publishers seeking tools for optimizing ads and customizing their site. If you appreciate making decisions based on data and want to increase ad revenue while ensuring an user experience, Ezoic AI-driven features and through A and B testing capabilities are quite appealing. Additionally, if you desire flexibility and control over where and how ads appear on your site to match its design and user preferences, Ezoic provides plenty of customization options. And it's worth noting that getting started with Ezoic may require time to properly set up and configure the platform for optimal performance. And what about Adsterra? Who should choose Adsterra? Well, Adsterra appeals to publishers looking for faster approval processes, flexible payment option, and potentially higher revenue streams. With advanced targeting options like retargeting and behavioral targeting, Adsterra is suitable for publishers who want to maximize their earnings through optimized ad placements. However, it's important to note that Adsterra may require a higher level of traffic to fully capitalize on its revenue potential. Publishers willing to explore various ad formats and to prioritize revenue generation over strict adherence to ad quality guidelines may find Adsterra to be a rewarding platform. And now, in conclusion or in summary, the decision between Adsterra and Ezoic ultimately comes down to the needs and preferences of website owners or publishers. Adsterra offers an user-friendly solution perfect for those who value ease of use and quick setup, even though it comes down with control over ad placements. On the other hand, Ezoic provides optimization tools and plenty of customization options for users who prioritize data-driven decision-making and aim to maximize ad revenue while ensuring a positive user experience, although it involves a longer onboarding process. So basically, each platform has its strengths, so it's important to consider your priorities when choosing the best option for successful ad monetization. So that is just basically the comparison review between Adsterra and Ezoic. Thank you.